Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best bike flat pedals. Whether you're hitting trails or cruising the streets, the right pedals make all the difference. Stay tuned as we race through the best options out there. Let's dive in together and find the perfect pedal for your ride. Item number 5. The ROCKBROS flat pedal is a dual-purpose, self-locking pedal designed for mountain and road bikes. Made with a durable aluminum alloy body and chromium molybdenum steel, it weighs just 450 grams per pair. Featuring sealed bearings and compatible with the Shimano SPD system, these pedals offer smooth rotation and long-lasting performance. The widened tread and hollow bevel design make riding effortless and lightweight. With adjustable buckle tension and 16 included cleats, they ensure no slippage on any trail. Item number 4. The West Biking Ultralight pedal is designed for mountain, road, BMX, and cruiser bikes. Made from aluminum alloy with a carbon fiber tube and chrome molybdenum steel shaft, it offers strength and durability while staying lightweight at just 278 grams per pair. Available in multiple sizes and colors, these pedals feature a widened, anti-slip tread for better grip and control. Dustproof and scratch-resistant, they're perfect for riders seeking performance and style on every ride. Item number 3. The ROCKBROS Ultralight pedal is built for mountain bikes, combining reinforced nylon with a durable chrome molybdenum steel shaft. Weighing approximately 330 grams per pair, it offers a lightweight yet sturdy design. Installation is simple with the included hexagon tool and comes with essential accessories like lock plates, washers, and screws. Finished in sleek black, this pedal ensures reliable performance and comes with a 365-day warranty, making it a trusted choice for riders seeking quality and ease of use. Item number 2. The Shimano Deore PDGR 500 is an ultralight, off-road flat pedal designed for casual mountain biking. Part of the trusted Deore M6100 series, it features a durable barrel shaft and reliable sealing mechanism for smooth performance. Weighing 533 grams per pair, these pedals provide excellent grip and control on rough terrain. Finished in sleek black, the PDGR 500 also includes reflectors for added safety. With a low stacking height of 9.4 millimeters, it's perfect for riders seeking comfort and durability. Item number 1. The Replaceable RK09 is a versatile self-locking pedal designed for BMX and mountain bikes. One side features an SPD locking mechanism with adjustable tension for easy clipping in and out. The opposite flat side offers excellent grip with 8 anti-skid pins. Crafted from CNC processed aluminum alloy, it's scratch-resistant and durable. The pedal includes fully sealed bearings to protect against dust and rain, and a strong chromium molybdenum steel shaft. Installation is simple with a universal 14mm screw diameter and hexagon tool. Which of these bike flat pedals is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.